Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn trying to feed a squirrel this morning. I think I see one down here, and we'll see if she'll come up and get a chip. Oh, there's a bunch of them down here today. And that one got its chip already. We'll give them see if it'll come and get a cracker. She's coming up now. Come here. Might not come up and eat out of my hand. Here she comes. And this one's nibbling too on the crackers this morning for its breakfast. Oh, here she is. Come here, Nibbles. Come here, Nibs. So we're just around the corner, a little shy. Maybe. I went back down again. Maybe I can get this one to come up. Want some more? Oh, they don't seem to want to come up, so I'll just throw more crackers for them to eat. But they're playing and all around, enjoying their breakfast though. Oh, that one's really fat. Come get your cracker. Here you go.